Hey everyone, welcome back to iPhone Bloke, the auditor tuber. And this video is a bit of a special one because I want to talk about the ongoing problems which I'm facing with XUV 300. And I must say, a lot of people in past have asked me about, is there a vibration or is there a rattling noise when you drive the vehicle? How does it feel? What are options? So I've got 3 points to share with one and all. I'll tell you what all places I feel there's a vibration after 13,000 plus kilometers. So the first thing first, if you can focus over here, this particular part, I don't get any vibration from this particular part. So when I'm driving a car, I have noticed that this is not the place where you get vibration. The biggest vibration you get is from the rear view mirror, this particular place. So when I shoot or whenever I drive this particular car and I'm alone, this is one particular place I feel there's a vibration coming out, number one. Number two, I also feel whenever you're driving alone in the car, you do get to feel little vibration from the stepney at the back. So the car, the spare tire which Mahindra has given with XUV 300 can give you a little bit of a rattling noise. Could be because if it's not fixed properly, or maybe I must have taken it out and I've not kept it properly, could be one of the reasons. But then I feel that particular part as well, I really feel a kind of rattling noise when I'm driving alone. It doesn't feel when you have let's say 4 or 5 passengers in your vehicle and you're driving it. It's only there when you're driving alone and you feel that a lot of people, those who have sat in my car, they never realized the vibration when there was a full-fledged passenger in the car. But then the moment I go a solo trip or I'm going on a bad tarmac where there's not proper tarmac laid on the road, where there's not absolute situation in terms of how the roads are built, poor construction, the undulation, in these cases, yes, absolutely it happens because you do feel vibration. But overall, if it's passenger with all the people in the car, then you may not feel any vibration. So that's number one. Number one is over here, the rear view mirror over here, this particular part. And the next part I would say is the back space. So when you sit on the back space, it is just the backside stepney which you have in the car that gives a little bit of vibration. And mind you all, it only happens when you drive solo. I've never experienced all these for example rattling noise when my car is full of passengers. So I thought this just to give you a little update about where exactly the rattling noise comes from. But on the overall package, if I counted, it is a well proportioned car, and I would always propose everyone to go for XUV 300, petrol or diesel, whatever you like. Thank you so much, and do subscribe.